So we already defined the units of force, right? The units of force is the Newton, named after Sir Isaac, 1 Newton, or 1 N, or 1 kilogram, and that's a multiplication sign or a dash, whatever, meter per second squared. Kilograms times meters per second squared. And the way to remember that is that it's a mass times an acceleration, and the units of mass are kilograms and acceleration meters per second squared. Another typical unit of force is the pound. 1 pound, which is abbreviated LB. I believe that's from French for I don't know what. And that is also a unit of force. The kilogram is not a unit of force, right? You can see that the kilogram, mass, is not a unit of force. Mass is not force. Mass is not weight. Weight is a force. All right, let me say that again. Weight is a force. It's an example of a force. It is the gravitational force of an object on a body. That is what weight is. Mass is something different. You can see that simply by looking at these units. The Newton is a unit of force, and kilogram is a unit of mass, and the kilogram is not the same as the Newton. Or it can't be converted to a Newton. So mass is not weight. We'll talk about that when we get back to the first law. But the pound is a unit of force. The pound is a unit of force. And you weigh things often in our society in pounds. What else do I want to say about that? Oh yeah, and the conversion factor from a Newton to a pound is 1 Newton is 0.225 pounds. So it's approximately 4 newtons per pound. It's not exactly, right? Just approximately 4 newtons per pound. So for example, right, if I weigh, what do I weigh? 160 pounds. Therefore, I weigh approximately, it's a factor of 4. 400 and 200, 640, approximately 640 newtons. And yeah, that's not exact, but it's just to get a sense of how big is a Newton. Right? A person is on the order of magnitude of 1,000 newtons. They're on the order of magnitude of 100 pounds, but the order of magnitude 1,000 newtons. So a car which is on the order of magnitude of a ton, 1 ton. 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, so it's about 8,000 newtons. So it's an order of magnitude 10,000 newtons. A car, 10,000 newtons. So that's weight in pounds, newtons. Okay. So sorry if I've used this joke before, but what does a fish say when it swims into a wall? Oh, what is that normal force? No, it says... Haha, get it.